Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your system. Confirm your operating system supports the dongle and have the latest driver ready. Now plug the Bluetooth USB adapter into a stable USB port, ideally one on the back of a desktop or a powered hub. Once done, watch for the OS to recognize the device and install a driver automatically. If it doesn't, open Device Manager and load the downloaded driver. This gets the hardware working so you can proceed to pairing. With the dongle active, open your system Bluetooth settings and enable Bluetooth. Make sure the adapter is set to be discoverable. Next, put your accessory into pairing mode, usually a long press or a specific button sequence indicated by blinking LEDs, so your computer can find it. Then, select the device name in the OS list, confirm the PIN if prompted, and allow the system to install the necessary profiles. This step pairs and configures services like audio or input profiles for proper use. Finally, verify the connection by testing the intended function, play audio, send a file, or use the peripheral, and then fine-tune settings like default audio device and automatic reconnect. Make sure the device appears in paired devices and set priority if multiple Bluetooth devices exist. If something goes wrong, first replug the dongle and retry pairing. If that fails, update or reinstall drivers, confirm the accessory's Bluetooth version and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.